Arachnophobia, the fear of spider. Ohyptophobia, the fear of snake. Acrophobia, the fear of heights. Agoraphobia, the fear of open of the crowded spaces. Cynophobia, the fear of dogs. Astrophobia, the fear of thunder lightning. Claustrophobia, the fear of enclosed space. Mesophobia, the fear of germs. Aerophobia, the fear of flying. Trypophobia, the fear of holes. Carcinophobia, the fear of cancer. Thanatophobia, the fear of death. Claustrophobia, the fear of public speaking. Monophobia, the fear of being alone. Atychlophobia, the fear of failure. Ometophobia, the fear of birds. Electrophobia, the fear of chicken. Echinocphobia, the fear of crowd. Aphenphosmophobia, the fear of intimacy. Trypanophobia, the fear of needle. Anthropophobia, the fear of people. Autophobia, the fear of abandonment. Aquaphobia, the fear of water. Hemophobia, the fear of blood. Gamophobia, the fear of commitment or marriage. Xenophobia, the fear of the unknown. Behophobia, the fear of driving. Basiphobia, the fear of failing. Achievemophobia, the fear of success. Theophobia, the fear of God. Allurophobia, the fear of cat. Metaphysophobia, the fear of change. Glohophobia, the fear of balloons. Hyclophobia, the fear of darkness. Anthropophobia, the fear of men. Phobophobia, the fear of fear. Philophobia, the fear of love. Technophobia, the fear of technology. Chronophobia, the fear of the future. Allodosophobia, the fear of the opinion. Samhimnatophobia, the fear of Halloween. Photophobia, the fear of light. Numerophobia, the fear of numbers. Umbrophobia, the fear of rain. Coasterphobia, the fear of roller coaster. Thalassophobia, the fear of oceans. Celicophobia, the fear of worms. Kenimorphophobia, the fear of zombies. Myrmecophobia, the fear of ants. And taphophobia, the fear of the bird alive.